Guys, so I'm currently here. All YouTubers in. I said let me do intro. I just did my own here. I said let me do intro. Like it's crazy. I is Tina is. Alright, so I'm here currently. All our YouTubers are currently meeting up. So we're going to have more like a sit down and talk kind of thing, and we're just going to meet and everything. So I'm really excited. Back to my channel. My name is Z, and on this channel I do everything from vlogs to different things, right? So I'll show you guys what I get up to today, and I'll take you guys along. Oh, I did my makeup and it looks really nice, so I'll let you guys see everything that spans out. Okay.
Forget about Rihanna.
Hello people. Hello people. What's good? What's popping? Let's go there. You added weight. You're not eating YouTube money now. Money is now showing. Your money is showing. See, your money is showing. Your money is showing. You know, cash that in dollars now. Come and do giveaway.
I've not had any. No, it's not getting your face.
I know, I don't want to get my face. Intro.
Intro without your face.
No, no.
See, she wants to, you know, she's
I cleanse it.
I'm actually seeing this lady for the first time today. Gracious tell. I've seen her.
I've seen her. I saw her. That's over. There you go. You are a chicken. No, I'm going to work now. I said work.
You will not recognize me.
Exactly.
I'm this my
glory. Wait to kill you there. So you can see the noise all over us there. They're having a lot of things. So I just want to show you guys every YouTuber here in Owerri. This is pretty hot. It's pretty hot. So I'll just show you guys my outfit.
What is it? You guys, can you imagine what somebody's doing at Freedom Square?
So I'll show you guys around. This is DERAS. DERAS, say hi.
Hi.
The only one and only Achalugo. Then
Glamorous looking babes, eh? Can you see that, eh? Look at them, eh?
Then you have this is your Chiki.
Yeah, no Chicken's channel. You're welcome to my channel.
Tina.
Hi. Oh, keep it well. Hi, my people. You're welcome back here. No, okay.
Please don't down bake it here. I don't want that.
I'm only
Don't get me angry.
Your channel name?
CHINITA'S corner.
Please subscribe. Let's get that to 1K.
Please, I beg in the name of God.
Yes, I'm Sophia Chi.
Let's subscribe to our new. You will post regularly.
Know how to do.
Okay, we'll check it out now. Alright.
I try. Build our own dream kind of YouTube. No matter what.
I want to tell you, I just put. Bye. And we're going home. Alright. It was such an amazing outing. I'm so grateful. So impactful. So we move. So I stopped to get corn. So I got corn. Let me show you guys. And ube, as you can see.
Yeah, so that was the meeting we had as Owerri YouTubers. At first, when we wanted to do that, I was like, what's the point of having a group chat, let alone having a meeting? I didn't see the sense in it. But you know, as life progresses, you meet people, and then you understand that we need each other. It might not be somewhat of a big deal at first, but gradually it just progresses, and then you meet people you never can tell. Like, I'm one believer that no one comes into your life, or time and chance has nothing to do with meeting certain people at certain points in your life. So I love the fact that we were able to pull this off. We're able to come together, just talk about our challenges as YouTubers, the fun things about being YouTubers, the fun things about creating content, the challenges that we all face, the things that are peculiar to ourselves. It was just inspiring seeing people who grew their channel from nothing to something, talk about themselves, people who are still below 1,000 subscribers talking about their challenges, and you can actually relate because you were once at that point, and then you proffer some solutions or things that you feel worked for you that they could actually imbibe in their channels and see if it works for them. It's actually amazing, like the kind of thing social media is able to do. I mean, without social media, I'm not sure I'll be able to meet these amazing people. Like, a lot of them have been so supportive. They've been there. It's amazing. So I was really grateful that we got to spend Sunday together. And yeah, hopefully the next one is a lot bigger, in a better space. And yeah, as you know, we don't really have a park in Owerri. If this were to be Port Harcourt, maybe we'll have used Pleasure Park or something. But maybe next time we try to do something more organized in a very serene or better environment and all that. But it was really an exciting time. I really liked it, and I really enjoyed myself there, meeting everyone physically. Like, you see people that you always comment on their channel, or that they always comment on yours and everything. So as a request from me, please, for everyone you saw on my channel now, I'll leave the link to their channels on my description box. Just kindly go to their channel, subscribe, like, comment, whatever you feel you need to do. Just support everyone. I never can tell what you find in their channels, so just try, support everyone, and let's just make the world a better place, a happy place. The world is hard enough for everyone. So okay, so I think I'm talking too much, and I didn't want this video to be too long. I need to loosen my hair so I can make my hair tomorrow. It's a public holiday tomorrow. I'm really grateful. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, now's the best time to do it. And if you're coming from Gracious Tales channel or any other person, I said Gracious Tale because she has posted her own video, right? She had a very hilarious caption. You should see it. Okay, I'm going to put a picture here. So yeah, if you hit the subscribe button, like the video, comment, and remember to subscribe to other people's channels too. Till I come your way next time, do well to stay safe, stay well, and remember, Z loves you. And I pray that you find peace in every storm of life.